So what's up guys, we have the Kemimoto gas tank bag to review today and install. Super nice quality, it's like a PVC rubber, so it's very water resistant. The zippers are also as well, very nice build quality. We have reflective strips right here. We've got 1, 2, let's see, 3, 4, 5 pouches to store items. Super nice. One good thing about this is even if you don't have a gas tank that is in the middle, because I know a lot of newer ones, they're at the back, you still have self-adhesive strips that you can stick it onto. So let's install this real quick. So we got your typical Honda 300 right here. I know a lot of people have these, or a lot of people have ranchers and other, or bear trackers or something along the lines of these. So basically, you're going to sit it up here. This is where it's going to go. But you know, obviously we're going to have to take the gas tank off. So, the gas tank lid. We'll take the lid off of the gas tank. Put this right up here. The hole fits perfectly over the gas tank opening. Put the gas cap back on and tighten it up. So sorry guys, I had to push this down a little bit and then twist it on. Didn't record that, but this is how you install it. Just take your gas tank lid off and then slide this on it. And then again, you have 2 self-adhesive patches on the side. All you got to do is remove this. And once you remove it, stick it down where you want it to stay, and that's going to stay put no matter where. And again, you've got 5 pouches. You got here, you can put your phone or anything else that you want to put in it right there. Right here, you got a pouch here as well. And again, these have elastic bands, so they're going to snap back in place. Nice Velcro right here, good quality material. It's going to be water resistant. You got your zipper. This is a little insulated, so if you got something you want to keep at a certain temperature, you want to keep your tools or something right here, this is a great spot to put your stuff in here. Your phone, tablet, your shades, glasses, safety glasses, whatever you got. You want to store it somewhere that's not going to be out in the element, this is a good pouch to have. Again, this material, feels like it's like PVC material, so it feels like a marine vinyl almost, but it's just got like a texture to it. Great for ATV stuff. It feels very slick as well, so your mud and dirt and stuff should slide right off of this. And again, we come to the other side. Again, we've still got 2 more reflective strips right here, which is great if you're on the side of the road or something and you happen to pull over, you know, people can see. These are going to shine a lot better than not having anything there. You got 2 latches on this side. This is the left side. Pull this open. Again, nice big pouch right here. You could definitely fit a large phone in there or some snacks or anything. And then again, this side is where you can put your other stuff. This has got a little knit pouch. Again, this is very nice. Feels very good. Super nice feeling. This is the pouch, and you got these as well. So if you got tools and you got a screwdriver or something, you can slide them right there, or some wrenches, and they won't be banging around in there. These are waterproof double zippers. So it's got double the protection of a regular zipper, and so it'll help keep the water and the mud from getting inside. It'll help keep it out. So again, super nice. You can clamp this back. I'm going to let you zoom in on the material. Again, coming back to the right side of the ATV, we got this side, which, remember, it's insulated. It can help keep hot foods warm for 6 to 8 hours, and cold foods, such as your drinks and stuff, cold from 6 to 8 hours as well. So this is great if you're going riding on the trail for a long time, or you're going hunting or fishing or something. You want to keep your lunch or something in here. You can put you a hot sandwich in there, zip it up, and you don't have to worry about it being cold when you get back to it. This pouch is also great for putting your drinks or your water in there, so it'll keep it cool if you're working in the field one day and you need to go reach to your 4-wheeler, get your drink out your cooler, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about bringing a cooler and remembering to put ice in it and stuff. You could actually put ice in here if you want, or you can just put it in there and let the bag itself insulate, because this is insulated pretty good. It's like a lunch bag. This is all built in to this bag. It's a very good deal. The right side of this bag has reflective strips as well, and again, we got these pouches. This is a great use for someone who uses their 4-wheeler a lot and they want to pack everything with them and don't worry about having a big extra bag. This is a great choice. And again, if you come to the left side of the pouch and you open it, this is what I mean by these pouches are great for your tools. You can drop them in and not have to worry about them moving anywhere. You put them in each individual section, zip it up, clamp it down, you're good to go. And they're not going to be clinking around everywhere. They're going to be in place. And again, you come on this side. If you wanted to, you could put your water in this pouch. It'll be all right. And if you want to keep it cold on a hot day, just unzip it, put it in there. There's honestly room for about 3 or 4 more bottles of water. You could definitely put a sandwich in there, a couple of sandwiches actually. Zip it up, good to go. This is your cooler ready to roll. So again, this is an iPhone 7 Plus, for example. I know a lot of phones are, the plus sizes are roughly this size. Definitely drop this in there. You could drop a lot of them in there. You can put it in there this way and still have 2 inches in the front. That would be clear. Open this pouch, slide it all the way in there. That's what it looks like. It's in there snug. Definitely not going anywhere. Again, you come to the left side, open it up. This is an iPhone 7 Plus. You can drop it in there. Won't fit like that. Yeah, you can drop it in there just like that. Perfectly fine. Plenty of room. If you don't want to drop it in there like that, you can drop it in there just like that. Perfectly fine. Or you want it to be in with your tool bag, drop it in with your tools. Either way, this is a great bag, especially for someone who uses their ATV for working or they own it often. This is a great purchase. They can keep their snacks in on one side and their tools in the other and be perfectly fine. Or they can keep their phone and sunglasses in one and keep extra stuff in the other bag. I mean, it's a great purchase, very affordable. Great for any ATV off-road enthusiast or anyone on the farm, ranch, or anything, or trail riders, general riders. Great investment. Again, it's waterproof. I'll show you as an example. Bottle of water. You see how it beads up? Perfect. Up of it. Absolutely dry. Water resistant. Water's just gonna run off on them. Great investment.